Wake up, sweetie. It's time for breakfast.
Okay, Sissy.
Good morning, sleepyhead.
Good morning. Time to get ready.
Here, let me help you.
Thank you. There, all neat and tidy now. Are you ready to go?
Yes, thank you. I look great.
Look at that big cucumber.
And this tomato is perfectly ripe. Let's put them in the basket.
Look at this huge mushroom.
It's wonderful. And look at these fresh onions, too.
Look, Grandmother. We brought home fresh vegetables. Welcome home, my dears.
Almost ready. Hurry up, sister. Just a moment, little one. There.
Yay! Let's go!
Let's go to the river.
Wow, look at this one. It's huge.
Oh, amazing. Quick, put it in the basket. Here's another tomato for you, big sister.
Thank you. These look delicious already.
Here you go, Mother. Try this piece first.
Thank you, dear. It looks wonderful.
This is the best dinner ever.